Hello guys! Alam ko marami na kaming utang at marami
Yeah.
nang nagagalit. At bakit nagagalit sa amin? Eh, sa totoo lang, nandito si Harry ngayon sa hotel.
Yeah. At dahil sa galit ninyo at sa pagmamahal naman namin sa inyo, tiyan nyo naman, straight from the ocean.
Oo.
Ilalaban to.
Ilalaban at saka syempre nakikigamit lang kami ng room sa roommate ko nang naliligo. But we're going to react dito sa fake faces ni Philip.
True.
Actually po, sa totoo lang, marami nang medyo nagtatampo. Sabi, ba't hindi na daw tayo nagre-react kay Philip ngayong 2024? Actually po, tingnan niyo po yung playlist namin for Philip. Marami naman po doon. It's just that, kung wala, sigurado ako na block. Sigurado ako doon. Meron kami mga content kay Philip na na-block because of copyright. As in block na natanggal po talaga siya sa channel namin. Pero check out the playlist. Now, I haven't heard anything about fake faces. Hindi ko pa siya napapakinggan, pero nakita ko yung some pictures and some visuals. So let's watch.
Yes.
Fake faces.
Ako hindi ko pa napapakinggan ng buo, pero nagamit ko na siya sa isang My Day ko.
Talaga?
Kasi parang one time may nakita akong 80 na ginamit siya sa My Day as background music. Fairness, nagustuhan ko yung agad. So, ginamit ko na agad siya.
Let's play. Oh my God. Wait lang. Parang it's giving me a familiar tune that I like. That I really like.
Ako parang talagang siya. I don't know if I'm correct with this era, pero it's giving me 2008 to 2012 vibes. Yung ganung drum na pasok. Yun. Grabe yun. Alam mo, kahit na normally, we don't really dwell on the lyrics, but because of good diction at saka good pronunciation ni Ken, na-absorb ko agad best yung meaning ng kanta.
Talaga?
Diba? Parang napakinggan mo na agad kanina na parang yun nga, yung fake faces or yung ibang tao talaga, they're gonna use you until you dried up. I mean, hindi mo talaga maiiwasan na may mga tao talaga sa buhay mo na they're just using you at their advantage. Grabe ka na!
May mga ganun. I think naman parang very relatable. It's just that ako sa totoo lang, I will focus first dun sa tunog ni tunog ni Philip. Yeah. Ang ganda ng tunog ni Philip, pang rockstar talaga, no? Parang
pop rock.
Pop rock. Pero dwelling more into the pop genre na sabi mo nga siguro mga sometime in 2000 na feels. And very Hollywood yung production na.
Yes.
I mean, before naging artsy yung part, yung pop, before naging artsy na parang very engrande, ito muna yun. Diba?
That you got, I got something that they want. Wide awake because these thoughts always keep me up. Run away from all the hate, disappear without a trace. They can miss me when I'm gone. I'll keep moving on. They try to give what they want from me. Just one-sided love is slowly killing me.
Alam mo, wait. Nakarelate ako bigla. I mean, I mean, it's not only applicable din sa sa mga friends mo eh. It's applicable to kahit sa office.
Yeah.
Charot! Ganon.
I don't
Ganon
think
yung
hindi ka namimiss
feel.
nila kapag wala ka. I think namimiss ka nila.
To think na ilang araw na ako wala sa office. Charot.
Namimiss ka nila for work.
For work. Cheers.
Don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody to put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go. And I don't know where I should go. Cause I got no place to call a home. Fake faces come and go. And it goes back and forth, the same conversations. I'm so sick of this fake smiling faces. People want you just because you made it. So tired of it all. And it goes back and forth, the same conversations. I'm so sick of this fake smiling faces. People want you just because you made it. So tired of it all.
Wait lang. Philip, are you attacking sa mga people pleaser like me? And I feel so attacked about this song. Hindi, ito lang ha. Ito lang yung parang gusto kong parang sabihin dito. No? Parang, now I'm trying to move on from people who tried to get what they want from me. And then parang, totoo nga bes yung mga term na parang ginagamit ngayon, yung mga gaslighting.
Oo.
And at the same time, parang the term really is to manipulate you, to dry you up, na parang they will use your people-pleasing personality to dry you up.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you're worried to be, may term doon, you're worried to be left behind, you're worried not to be loved, you're worried not to belong.
Yeah.
Talaga is nagagamit ng isang taong may fake face.
Or weaponize the fear of missing out.
Fear of missing out. So, yun, that's the term ay sabi ko yung parang FOMO. Ikaw ba, may FOMO ka pa rin ba? I mean,
Ako may FOMO ako talaga if I really care about that set of friends or that even relatives. Alam mo yun, parang pag nagplano sila or something, parang siguro mafo-FOMO ko talaga na hindi ako part ng circle kung talagang I really care about them. Pero kung wala namang significant sa buhay ko, parang di bahala kayo mag-trip dyan.
I don't know if trend to sa Twitter at sa TikTok or sa Instagram or natatarget din ako ng Facebook Reels. Pero I've been seeing a lot of things about this song. So napapanahon siya.
Yep.
In a way, ang daming motivational speaker na nagsasabi na parang, are you in a manipulative relationship? Not with just a loved one, not with a partner, but maybe with a friend.
Yeah.
Yung parang you're being manipulated na na parang you try to give what they want and in return one-sided lang talaga yung yung relationship because you're the one who's always giving and they're the one who's always receiving, but you feel that you need to do that to that person for any reason. Aawa ka sa kanya or parang you don't want to be left behind sa isang bagay. Alam mo kasi lalo na siguro dun sa mga taong medyo may pagka-introvert na nakahanap sila ng isang tao na tatanggap sa kanila. Ang hirap pakawalan kaya parang they're thinking na ito yung mga piling tao o selected people who will stay by my side, and then syempre ayoko siyang pakawalan. But in reality, kung napanood mo to sa mga Korean drama these days, no, yung parang abusive friendship.
Yeah, oo.
For the sake na na
Tsaka feeling ko kahit na even though we're talking about unconditional love, pero of course ayaw mo naman magbilang with what you're doing to your set of friends or circle of, or in a specific relationship na with your friends. Pero sana hindi mo sabi nga ni Ken dun sa kanta, parang dapat di mo nararamdaman na you're drying up.
Oo,
sa binibigay mo.
at saka pati
may mga ganun kasing in-offer ka pero hindi mo na-feel na para kang nauubusan.
What? May
Grabe yung mga reaction.
Hindi, pero parang tao dito, a key to a successful and happy life sometimes is to learn how to say no
Oo naman.
to a lot of things, to a lot of people. Actually, no, if your social battery drained up and a friend of yours wanted to meet up, have the power to say no.
Yeah.
Yun kasi yung wala ako eh. Kaya nga nakatatailan ko lang, di ba?
Go.
Kaya nga kagagaling ko lang ulit ng Thailand even. But I'm not saying that because I feel na deserve naman nung sinamahan kong friend. Di ba? So work naman, baka naman kinakaibigan ka lang because napapakinabangan ka niya.
Pero may nagre-react sa likod.
Ay, sorry. Work. Parang may nauubo sa likod. Nakatrabaho ko rin, di ba? Pero alam mo, eto, isipin mo to, no? Ako napapaisip ako, why can't I do it? Why some people, believe na believe ako sa kanila, pakisuyuan, no. It's not my work. It's not under my role and responsibility. I'm not doing that. Pero sa Pinoy kasi, yes, culture tayo eh.
Oo, best. Pero at some point kasi talaga, siguro, baka it's not yet the time na matutunang yung ano na yan. Baka sometimes you feel na need mo rin talagang malay mo hindi mo pa talaga time. Kanya-kanya naman tayo.
Oo, parang
Malay mo at your 40 saka mo lang saka kaganon.
kung kailan ubus na ako, sabi nga ni Philip, I'm already dry enough. Charis. Wow. Okay, so for me, it's a liberating song.
Yeah.
It's a liberating song. Thank you kasi for sure, makakadagdag to sa mga motivation ko to veer away, to step away, or to live an abusive relationship. And to acknowledge people who put on a fake face in your front for their own convenience. Alam mo, ito na yung mga panahon na parang dapat mamili ka na talaga ng tama, lalo na at our age. And we encourage the people who's watching us na bas bata pa. Hindi naman sa pagiging masama ang ugali mo for putting up a boundary, for putting up a wall on people eh. Diba? Sa totoo lang, nakakatuwa yung mga taong unapologetic when it comes to establishing boundaries around people eh. Diba? Sa totoo lang, kung kinikita ko lang yung pag-people please ko before, maybe I'm a millionaire.
Ganun talaga, bes. I mean, that's life. May mga nasayang ka, may mga nag-gain ka naman for sure.
Nag-gain? Sama ng loob.
Parang bili ko kailangan natin ito i-podcast. Parang may mga iba ka pang tinatago. Well, anyway, ako, lyrics 10. 10 talaga. Kasi parang feeling ko, yun nga, parang yung isa kong friend dito, masyado natitrigger dun sa lyrics ng kanta. So, talagang sobrang ganda ng kung sino man, I guess, feeling ko, original composer naman ito si Ken, right?
Yeah.
So, lyrics 10, tapos yung melody niya at saka yung atake ng kanta, it's also 10 for me. Yeah. So, talagang 10-10. Pero ito, siguro just to leave lang na hindi naman ako fan-serving. Siguro the idea lang ng music video na is may iba lang ako naiisip na idea for this kind of lyrics and melody. So parang medyo lang ako na na-trap na si Ken dun sa open field na nakasakay lang siya sa jeep ba yung tawag dyan? Or owner?
Oo, parang ganito kasi yun. Parang nagigets kita in a way na parang this is a 10 out of 10 lyrics.
Yes.
Parang requiring siguro out of the box music video. na parang medyo magiging Billie Eilish. Kasi sa totoo lang ha, although yung pag pinakinggan mo yung kanta, you'll think na parang it's a simple song because you easily understand the lyrics, but it's tackling a very very complex and sensitive issue.
Yeah. Kasi parang for me lang, parang it could have been better dun lang sa lyric, dun lang sa sa music video idea lang or dun sa creative direction lang na wala masyado ako nakitang other faces than Philip. So
nagigets ko yun.
yun
Parang
lang.
I
Pero
agree.
the melody, yung lyrics 10-10 siya sa akin.
Oo, parang sa akin naman, ang nakikita ko talaga is tama ka kasi parang in a way, doon sa music video, it's a well shot, well colored music video. Gusto ko rin yung pagkakatahi-tahi. It's not awkward at all.
Yeah.
It's just that parang ang sa akin, if you're talking about dun sa concept, parang mas maganda at mas magiging meaningful yung song itself with the music video kapag yung concept medyo may pagka-Billie Eilish kasi in a way that's uncanny, parang that's wow, surreal yung term, parang medyo kakaiba kung parang uso yan ngayon best, no, parang the lyrics are easily ka makaka-relate, but at the same time ang tinatakal niya pala isang malalim na isang malalim na dynamic ng relationship. Abusive relationship. Alam mo, habang nagsasalita ka nga, sinesearch ko ngayon yung lyrics. Yung people want you just because you made it. So tired of it all. It's true. I mean, nakaka-relate siguro ang mga Pinoy, lalo na sa mga kamag-anak nila. Sabi nga ni Rosana Roses, kung wala kang pera, shit ka. May mga ganon. Parang,
actually, it's, for me partly, since nasa financial management ako na work, minsan talaga, it's 50 partly true, na talagang, if you don't have to, I mean, wala kang masyadong may offer dun sa family, na, when it comes to monetary. Medyo yung leaning talaga ng mga kamag-anak natin, hindi nasa iyo. Pero once you made it,
yeah, and sa totoo lang, sabi ko nga learn how to say no. I mean, maraming pwedeng hindian. Pwedeng napakasimpleng request yan sa katrabaho na pwede bang ipakisuyo sa yung trabaho nila kasi
ano nangyari?
Wait, tumalon yung ko. Pero okay lang naman.
Ano tumalon yung internet?
Tumalon siguro yung internet. Okay lang yung best. Buti na naka-record ako. Teka, hintayin lang natin. Fake faces ka. Ano?
Go. Kasi magtanggal ng mga greasy.
Mga greasy. Tumalon lang yung ko. Ayan. Paano tayo magla-live mamaya? Hindi ko dala yung So, yun na nga. So, parang it's a courage din kasi to set limitations Kuwari may nakikisuyo sa yung katrabaho, no? You're afraid na bubulihin ka nila because of pagtanggi mo. Diba? So I like these lyrics na parang they just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Oo, totoo yan.
Yeah.
And if you're already dried up, wala ka na. Sabi nga ni Rosana Roses, S ka na. Diba? X ka na. So,
but I think best, may that's the test of time talaga. So, feeling ko, you don't want naman to appear na parang pag may hingi ng tulong sa'yo, parang feeling mo dried up ka na agad. Pero, of course, test of time talaga is, yun nga, kapag napunta ka dun sa moment na you feel like dried up ka na, I think dun talaga lilitaw yung mga other important people na yun nga, kahit na dried up ka na.
Ito kasi
at the same time,
parang it's a pre-chorus nga niya, and I tried to give what they want from me. This one-sided love is slowly killing me.
Yeah.
Yun, this is one-sided love So parang ikaw yung bigay ng bigay. Diba? But in the end naman kasi parang, alam mo, yan yung masaklap din sa Pinoy culture Parang given na yun sa isang family, given na yun sa isang friendship, yung bigay ng bigay.
Yeah.
Diba? But yung return naman, it doesn't necessarily mean dapat ibalik mo yung kung ano yung binibigay mo. There are other kinds
Pero
of
alam mo,
ways.
siguro last na tong ano ko, ang pinakaisang nakuha ko talagang take away sa mga ganyang kind of relationship. Minsan din talaga, ikaw din yung nag-hindrance dun sa growth ng ibang tao. As long as na nagbibigay ka or nag-yes ka always, hindi mo rin sila hinahayaan mag-grow. So,
sige, tama.
Ang akala natin is
You're helping them.
As long as you can, but at the same time, hindi natin nakikita yung side na hindi sila nag-grow kasi highly dependent na sila sa'yo.
Yeah.
So, kailangan talaga, it's not hindi lang kadagdagan sa'yo na you learn how to say no, but at the same time, on the other side, you help them grow and then to stand up there on their own feet din talaga. So,
Oo.
yun lang din talaga yung maganda dun sa it's not just you but it's also for them.
Oo. At saka alam mo, medyo nagiging uso na to na parang sabi nga, yung oversharing sa totoo to, yung parang medyo ito naman komentaryo lang, no. Yung oversharing. Parang may nabasa akong Instagram post, I think, na parang if you're trying to buy a house, don't share it. If you're trying to get a promotion, don't share it. If you're trying to buy a property, don't share it. Kasi parang sometimes, like for example ako, share ko lang before, I love traveling. In a way na syempre, that's my personal expense, hindi po ako nagwawaldas ng pera ng kahit sino. Pero lagi may masasabing tao travel ka ng travel, but hindi mo na lang itulong sa pinsan mo sa tuhod na may ganon. May mga ganon. Pinoy culture and at the same time, yung parang travel ka ng travel pero yung kapatid mo hindi okay yung trabaho. May mga ganyan ka maririnig sa iba't ibang mga tao, no? And at the same time, friend, pautang naman ako. 3,000 lang. Alam ko mataas sahod mo. And then of course, you don't want to give the 3,000 because for any other reason, no? It's either may paglalaanan ka or at the very basic lang na hindi ka ganong kaluwag ngayon para magpautang ng 3,000. Mamasamain ko na yan. Diba? And at the same time, I will forget whatever help you've given me in the past.
Parang agad, nadi-disregard agad yung mga
So the lesson here that I want to impart para matapos lang dito is don't overshare.
Yeah.
I'm not into curtailing freedom of expression. Kapag yun nasasabihin nyo na, pera ko naman yun success ko naman yun yun ang gusto ko i-share sa Facebook ko. My Facebook, my rule. But I'm just saying that there are people na fake face. Hindi ikaw yung may problema yung people na akala mo kaibigan mo.
And then, ako naman,
hindi diskaril ka talaga. Sa work, i-announce mo that you want to be promoted, that you wanted to achieve something in the office, hindi mo ma-achieve yun. Bakit? May pipigil. Alam mo yan. May nakikinig. So, if you wanted to do something na accomplishment, medyo wag mong i-overshare. Gulatin mo na lang sila. May mga ganun.
Yeah, and ako talaga yung totoo yung fake faces come and go. But of course, for me, every experience naman, ang maganda dyan, may baon-baon kang lesson learned dyan. So, you become better as a person. So, huwag kayo masyadong mainis or magalit sa sarili ninyo if you come across with these fake faces. But you charge it to experience and then you become a better person.
Oh, and I wanted to congratulate Philip because naglabas siya ng ganitong kanta na for sure.
Actually, this is really far from the genre na sinet niya. Hindi naman sobrang far.
Parang ganito, aminin mo na, parang yung mga unang reaction natin, parang, okay, this song is not for everyone.
Mga ganon. Pero this is for everyone.
But this is for everyone.
Yeah,
Oo. Parang nakakatuwa lang na ganon. Kasi parang nakakatuwa na from time to time, you give up something na pang mainstream, in a way, relatable to all. Diba? So, congratulations, Philip. Ang ganda ng song. 10 out of 10. And at the same time, Wari lang, gusto ko lang siya feel good pakinggan while nakaangkas ako or nakagrab ako.
Yeah.
Hindi bababa yung mood ko.
Tsaka I
It's
can
just
imagine this,
a motivation for me to say that Matt, it's okay to say no. It's okay not to be okay. Charot, iba pala yun.
Ibang topic yun.
Ibang topic pala yun. Sorry.
Yeah. Well,
So-
anyway, congrats, Philip. And I hope, I mean, hindi naman sa pero I'd like to see more of this kind of type of music. Pero yun nga, yung mga nauna niya kasi talaga, it's not for me. Talaga, napapagkwentuhan naman namin yun.
It's not for
Before. It's not for
everyone.
Pero this music talaga, parang medyo kasama to sa magiging look ko.
Yeah, and if you wanted to check our other parang reactions, no, may playlist na tayo specifically for Philip. So you can check it out there. If wala, sigurado po kami na block. Kasi lahat talaga na lumalabas kay Philip na single. Not all performances, unfortunately. We cannot react to all. But yung mga release niya talaga, we reacted and we truly appreciate his voice, his artist or yung artistry niya, di ba? At yung boses niya pala can deliver this. Kasi may nagsasabi na parang, yung boses niya talaga is a flavor or let's say, cherry on top sa isang kanta ng SB19. But, the question is, pwede bang yung boses na yan magdala ng isang buong kanta? And yes, yes, and yes.
Yeah. Agree.
Makakapagkwento siya sa isang buong kanta. Fake faces come and go. Charot. So, congratulations, Philip.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
And if you want to support this channel, you can send us, monetary for this kind, so we can produce this more videos.
Oo, and promise na namin yun. Kung nasa si Harry, pupuntahan ko siya. Kung nasan ako, if may time, pupuntahan ako ni Harry. Para lang matapos namin yung mga utang namin sa inyo.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Hit the subscribe button.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.